KerPlunk. 1, 2, 3. The loser is going to get slimed. My name is Hatchimal. Comment below who the winner is. Rise and shine, it's playtime. Today we're gonna play a super fun game called KerPlunk with the Shopkins. Let's get started. Hey Kooky, are you so excited to play KerPlunk with me? Oh yeah, I've been waiting to play this game for such a long time. Me too. And guess what? We have some super cool prizes that we get to win. I love prizes. Ooh, let's check them out. Now our prizes are, we've got a super cool Shopkins blind bag. Whoa! We also have some super fun Shopkins stickers. Look at that. You know what, guys? I'm gonna put one on right now. This says love, fun, laugh. Boop. There we go. All right, and our last prize is a Hatchimal. These are like my favorite, guys, because they're always so cute. Okay. Oh, wait, you forgot to say what happens to the loser. Because obviously the winner's going to get all of the prizes, but the loser is going to get, bum, 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 slimes. Oh, I hope I don't lose. Oh, look at all that slime. Oh, no. Oh, hopefully nobody loses, because this is gonna be super gross. Oh boy, I hope I don't lose, because slime is bad for my skin, and I've been doing so good lately. All right, now before we start, we have all these marbles here, and we have to put them into the KerPlunk thing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, there's so many marbles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 marbles, and that's not even all of them, guys. Whoa, that's a lot of marbles. Don't lose your marbles. Ah! All right, there's too many marbles to count. We're just gonna put the rest of them in. Whoa, look at all of these dropping in there, guys. This is so many marbles. Oh, and they're all so cute. There's like blue ones and green ones. All right, here we go. Now time to explain the rules. Ooh, I wanna explain. So, how you play is basically, you see these sticks up here? You're gonna pull them out, each one by one, and you take turns, and then as you pull them out, the marbles sitting on top are gonna fall down, and then whoever has the most marbles at the end of the game loses, because the marbles are gonna go KerPlunk! Ooh, so you have to be very careful when you pull out the sticks, because you don't want any marbles into your tray. Now we each have our own tray, so we're gonna show you what those ones are. My tray is this one, and my tray is this one. All right, Kooky, are you ready to play the game? Ooh, you know what? I think I'm ready. Let's go! All right, I'm gonna go first. So let's see. I'm gonna pick, this green stick. Your turn, Kooky. All right, I'm gonna pick this yellow one because it matches me. And down. It is your turn. Great. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this one. Woo. This is easy so far. So far. But just you wait. Just you wait. Okay. I'm gonna pick out. Let's see. This one. Ooh. Okay. It's a nice orange one. I like the color orange. Me too. Oh, guys, comment below who you think is gonna win. I hope it's me. Don't tell Kooky. All right, my turn. I'm gonna take out this one because it was like already falling. There we go. And Kookie's turn. All right. I'm gonna get, let's see. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get this one. It's another orange. Okay, we each have 3 sticks. We gotta keep going though. Your turn, Apple Blossom. Okay. I'm gonna, ooh, that one looks loose. That's promising. So we're gonna take that one. Your turn. Okay. Ah! All right, I'm gonna get, how about, I'm getting nervous. This one here. All right. Done. Your Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna take this yellow one. Ooh, I heard a little noise. Some of the marbles are getting close to dropping. Oh no! Your turn, Kooky. Oh no, the marbles are getting close to dropping. I am so nervous. Okay, we're gonna get this one. Oh. All right. Deep breath. It's gonna be okay, Kooky. Of course it's gonna be okay. It doesn't matter who loses or who wins. Really, honestly. It's just if you lose, you get covered in gross, sticky slime. Oh no. All right, my turn again. We're gonna take that one. Kooky's turn. All right. I don't want to get slimed. That one. Oh, okay. We're doing all right. Ooh, look at my sticker, guys. Love, fun, laugh, whap. Okay, it is my turn. We're gonna take this green one because it was nice and loose. And green is just like me. Ta-da! Green. Look, Kooky, I've got a mustache. Hey, tell me where the other cookies are. Tell me now. Okay, we're not on like a mob movie. Don't be silly. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I love being silly. You'll never find my cookies. Okay, back to the game. It's my turn. I'm gonna take this green one back here. Plop. Your turn. Okay. We're getting crazy. Ooh, look at this nice orange one. Okay, your turn, Kooky. All right. That one's loose. Boop, your turn. Oh, I have a feeling some marbles are gonna drop soon. Boop. Your turn. Okay, we are going. Everything is fine. Wow, I can't believe no marbles have dropped yet. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Okay, my turn. Shout. Ah! Oh no, guys. Now I have 2 marbles. 2 marbles in my tray. That means I'm losing. Oh no. Ah. Well, the game is starting to get crazy. Ah! All right, it's Kooky's turn. Ooh, all right, Kooky's going. I'm gonna pick out. Woo, we're safe. Okay, Apple Blossom, your turn. Okay, make sure we turn it back to my side. Now the marbles are falling. Okay, I'm gonna take out this one. Woo! That was scary, but we're safe. Your turn, Kooky. Okay, turning it back to my side. Drop. All right, I'm gonna take this one. Whoa. I can't believe no marbles fell. All right, your turn, Apple Blossom. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna take. Oop, we gotta turn it back. Bloop. I'm gonna take this orange one. No! Oh, now I have 3 marbles in my tray. Oh no. Ooh, too bad for you, Apple Blossom. Well, now it's Kooky's turn again. All right, I'm gonna take maybe this orange one here. Ooh, I'm getting so lucky. Okay, your turn. Oh, I don't want to drop any more marbles. I'll take this yellow. Ah! Oh no, another one. Now I have 4. Kooky, it's your turn. Okay, it's my turn. I'm gonna take this green one here. What? I'm so lucky. All right, Apple Blossom. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. Well, I am lucky too. Your turn, Kooky. All right. I want to take this yellow one here. No! Uh-oh, Kooky, looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 marbles. 11? That's so much more than 4. Oh no, that means I'm losing. Ah! Well, I'm not losing anymore. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna pull out this one. Ah! Oh no, now I have 11 marbles too. That means we're tied. So technically, neither of us is losing yet. Woo! That's true! We're both winning! Okay, I'm gonna pull out this one. Ooh! Alright, your turn. Okay, I'm getting really nervous. I'm gonna pull out this one. Oh no! Oh, now I have 15 marbles. I'm losing. Okay, Cookie, it's your turn. Cookie's turn, Cookie's turn. Cookie is winning. Okay, I'm gonna pull out this one. Okay, well, we have to figure out who the winner was. It looks like both of you have a lot of marbles in there. So let's count you first, Apple Blossom. Okay, we're gonna take all the marbles out. We're gonna put them back in, oops, and count them. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Okay, that's a good number. Yes, it is. And Cookie, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 15 marbles and 17 marbles. Comment below who the winner is. Apple Blossom! I won! Get Apple Blossom! Get Apple Blossom! That means I get to open my prizes! That's right! First we got a Shopkins surprise blind bag. Let's cut this open and see what's inside. All right, guys. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. We have... What is that? Let's find out. This is Babette Baguette. Hello, my name is Babette, and I am a delicious, scrumptious baguette. Now who's my new friend? I'm your new friend, my name's Apple Blossom. Oh, well, hello, Apple Blossom, my name is Babette Baguette. That's a really hard name, but I like it. Well, I like your hairdo. Oh, well, thank you. It's a special ribbon that I got from the baguette store. Could we go to the baguette store? Absolutely! I will show you all the finest selections of baguettes. I'm gonna get a baguette. Wait, Apple Blossom. Huh? You have another surprise. You have another prize to open. I'll go to the store later. Time to get my Hatchimal. Time to open up the Hatchimal. All right, guys. We rubbed the heart. Now we're gonna see who is inside. Whoop! Here we go. Wow, look how cute, everybody! Hi! Ooh, look, I've got some pretty sparkly wings, and I'm purple with a pink fluffy belly that everybody can pet. I love getting belly rubs. Oh, good, I love belly rubs too. Oh, great, then we're gonna be best buddies. We can just lay on the beach and get belly rubs all day. Cool, well, it was great meeting all of you guys, but I think I'm gonna get going now. Oh, no. I lost the game, which means I'm gonna get slimed! Uh-oh, 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 it's so gross! Look at all that slime on me! Help me, everybody! Oh, the slime. At least it matches my shoes. Oh, how gross. Well, come on, it's time to get baguettes. Ooh, baguettes. Don't just leave me here. Oh well, I guess I'll take a nap. Thanks for watching. If you had fun, make sure you subscribe to our channel so we can go on even more adventures. Goodbye, and until the next playtime.